What's the meaning of blood poisoning? Blood poisoning. Blood poisoning.
Blood poisoning. Blood poisoning. Blood poisoning, also known as sepsis, is a serious medical condition caused by an overwhelming immune response to infection. When harmful bacteria enters the bloodstream, it triggers an inflammatory response that can damage multiple organ systems. Symptoms of sepsis may include fever, rapid heartbeat, difficulty breathing, low blood pressure, confusion, and lethargy. Without prompt treatment, sepsis can lead to septic shock, which is a life-threatening condition characterized by severely low blood pressure and multi-organ failure. Treatment for blood poisoning typically involves antibiotics and supportive care, such as intravenous fluids and oxygen therapy. Early detection and treatment of sepsis is critical for a successful recovery.